Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to change Tesla Model X wiper blades. First, ensure your vehicle is parked on a level surface and the parking brake is engaged. Then, access the service menu on your Tesla's touchscreen and select Wiper Service Mode to position the wiper arms correctly. Have your new wiper blades and a soft towel ready to protect the windshield. With the wiper arm gently lifted away from the windshield, locate the small release tab on the wiper blade connector. Press this tab firmly and slide the old blade downwards, or sometimes upwards, off the J-hook or pin on the wiper arm. Be careful not to let the arm snap back against the glass. Now, take your new wiper blade and align its connector with the J-hook or pin on the wiper arm. Slide the new blade onto the arm until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely locked. Once attached, carefully and gently lower the entire wiper arm back down onto the windshield surface. Repeat these steps for the other wiper blade on your Tesla Model X. After both new blades are installed, return to your vehicle's touchscreen and exit Wiper Service Mode. Finally, activate your windshield wipers with some washer fluid to ensure they operate smoothly and clear the glass effectively.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.